So in this video, you will learn how to know if someone is staking you on Instagram. So if you want to know who is staking you in Instagram, this video is for you. After you open up your Instagram app like this now, all you have to do now, just go ahead and tap on this, your profile. After you open your profile like this now, tap on this as can see now, menu. So after you open the menu like this now, all you have to do now, scroll all the way to down, scroll all the way to down, as can see now, scroll to down. As can see now, tap on this account tool. As can see now, account type and tool. This one, account type and tool. So in this section now, all you have to do now is this switch to go and switch your account to professional account. This one. So after you tap on this now, tap on this next. So now in this section now, choose anyone. I'll just go ahead like blogger. Tap on this, switch to professional account. Now allow it to finish loading. So now in this section now, tap on this as can see now, creator or business. Go and choose anyone. It doesn't matter. So tap on this as can see now, continue. So in this section now, after you finish this section now, tap on this close button, this one. So now if you now refresh like this, as can see now my account has turned on to, as can see now, personal dashboard, means now my account has turned to professional account. So now to know who is taking you in your Instagram, all you have to do now, tap on this, as can see now, you need to add like highlights. So to add a highlight, all you have to do now, you can just go ahead now and tap on this, like I'll just go ahead now and add a highlight, tap on this add new button, this one. After you tap on this add new, as you can see now, here is the different. So in this section now, go and choose a picture. Just let's say I'll use this one. After you select this one or a video, tap on this next. So you can type anything. So tap on this next again. Now the highlight has now, as you can see now, turn on your highlight into a reel. So not now. So as you can see now here is now my highlights. As you can see now, if you know who is taking you on Instagram, all you have to do now, tap on this, the highlight that you added now. So after you tap on the highlight now, swipe up to left, swipe up to up like this now. So as you can see now, by swiping up to up like this now, as you can see now if anyone now is taking you, now you'll be able now to see his information in this section now. As you can see now, under this, as you can see now, if you tap on this views, as you can see now, story, insight, unavailable. If there is someone is taking you, as you can see now, if you come to the highlights, now tap on this, as you can see now, this view section, you'll be able to see the list of the people that are taking you on your Instagram account. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching, guys.